boso me ne da to so mienu enti ene date no say we obi a wo trade date na wo de dash atum finfini a ene ye 2-2-22 enti ene ye 2222 anapai medical fire kakra dada anapai medical esi me so sa akom no esi me so sa akom no ensan se wo man se yen Nyankopon adom yen wo man yen dwumadie eye ofre baby amiti eye ofre enti so wo man no enda wakoma so wondwene wo man no ho a sa dwuma wontimi nye se wonwene wo man no ho a akonya amiti so yi wontimi ntra so bi enti say na bibi ni na ye ka ma wo bi nya ni say na wo sije na wo de ne ye wo da na wo keka na ne ye wo da na wo keka Ghana ne ye nyina ye dia ye ntra se anya hwehan man ni pakuo kakra bi a sabi wo mo de wo mo ye furu na wo mo dwene ho wo mo ntro man no nkɔ na chi no se ekoba ni sa Nyankopɔn obebi san ena di akire no obebisa wo se kwakwata forcing me de wo kwatra Adom FM se boa na wo man Ghana a me de wo kwatu mu no wo man ne nkwada ni mu no e de na wo ye abanti honye din kakra ma me mesra mo wo bebisa me se die pa na wo ye ya de ko kire Adom FM da so nsam so no efie ba ko mienu miensa nan enum nsia enso enwatwe efie du no a efie du no mu no akotena kwasa fidie no so no e de na wo ye entina sometimes ye ba adwuma no ye ba pa meti han se me tie me redie mu pa my production team they know se me yobi me tie me redie mu pa nke bia nkamada and so o man no hold on inti we need to come wake up at dawn sorry hamache ne abetena ha eno an ye course was circle time mebo Greater Accra Regional Minister abaso na ma hye ni nkuran se yen ya wa Adom FM ha de ye tan nachi mon pa ba Wama madwene say wamu de anamon papa bia ye betu no wamu de sa politics fino ebe pa beta ho amanyo sam tantan no wamu de ba beta ho ena ya ne etoma mo ya ne etoma mo na fe ya to ama mo na mo be pam ya free kwan ho ya ne etoma mo ena enti dan mo na mo to ma wa mo enti waman no embo mona mutuma wo mo enti wo man no enkwanechi entete mpansam ya tsaw sa hantra ha ya tsaw sa hana tonade dabi me pen ha se man fa ha ma me dia abanament to ma mu bieu Nyankopon hu nyina amabo Nyankopon wo hu nyina amabo Honorable Henry Cotti Koswa na kosu Yetai wachi Maminna Franco Trading Enterprise ase Dr. Frank Onu Ukraine asene me adi dwumadie ye de bro oyo obi a woto ade kwan ho na ye pamo a memme ye ni ambre ko oto ade ka kwan ye nam circle ha pedestrian walkway baby asese nipa ya fa no ya shedwa wo ho nyina musu maw na fa ho kwaka wobi toothpick ana wobi ntade a wahye no kwan no ho na enhwiengu djuma ye di bedi wo no mama me fa no si ho ansa Nothing in besides some way. Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo. What were he? Domi kwa benyam na sebejani. Our man penny shy no. Some Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection. Somebody you know over here. Alright. Sometime August last year, and I say well call and then they leave. What the videos in there? I just say what drive a bob. I say Kasenchi, a kutia be, Wosley, Tafitafina, no near the adi. Me afi se bia wo call leave ne be na watch mienu no sa be na dwuma na se be jafi ho wamba 6th October and you jinahin e de krata bai so amampani ayeden wa extending the leave no menti ya ma Mrs. Labrada pa and na won hwe akire ma no sanitation ministry ma me no won sanitation ho no won wo twefa no bo and ya sa so de gender yi akoka no ho Besine, how many months ni? Enti adwuma no a esese koso ministry hono as we speak in the absence of the minister Adwoa Safo adwuma no koso. That's my first question. Asembi se tosumienu enti we ya we leave no e free August October, friends saying August, September, October, November, December, January, February, away. It's been about 7 months. Confession, it's your Chanica, and I am Chanica. Ye Chanica, and I say, Yen Chanica. Maybe so. Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo, Minister for Gender, Children and Social Protection. Wa he leave no woman ana so adwuma no waja to ho wanye na empa bi foforo ne emfa because it's a very very sensitive ministry ehun hia pa da ya ba betwa yi levy December nim ena wo betwam ho and then one of the papers publisher or the abase say ono Adwoa Safo no wabeto vote on 11 na eji honorable Alexander Fenyomakin ni position as the deputy majority leader no ya de amanu ansana to 11 no so aba yeah. Not until say be man deputy majority leader no.
Jim FM.
Ghana. I said, "Bisa na me bisa o." Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo we. Why? Enti when you hono enya nsunsanfo bia e wona dwuma ye de ama no ministry hono mamene me nuaba Janet Nabila or General Secretary for the People's National Convention. Auntie Jane.
Yes.
Me ba chawa te saying
mpache yo na musumu ho te saying
ye gusun kakrakra anapei me gidi se wan so uhu Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo wote ne nka che pa
no kre no kre
wote ne nka che
ache papa me hu no gender ministry no krampo daba ko pe me hu se oye bibi ho hanum.
Really Auntie Aquaman say it should give us cause for worry. Ananebwa, Auntie Jane.
Great worry, great worry.
Adentia, yamon komo.
Mpacho mamenche wana pay ena mutie funyina. Gender ministry ewa Ghana. One of the most sensitive ministries. Ena ye substantive minister obetima super head over affairs so that gender problems can be solved. Inti sa wo kofa gender minister ba na gender minister no ye who say or even one day Krampo or executing the duties as the minister in charge, then it is a great worry. March, May, March, April and May. Woo mbamo muye in our Ghana animal in the hands of boyfriends, husbands. And those who so when Nimna will research no deep figures in a bar, Nipa Bedwani. About 3 weeks ago, our Naliru Northeast region. Omuku elderly woman di information I mean chire say omusi oye before and odwani ye from one of the villages ba uncompleted building na obeti ho and ombeti no kunu inti me pray police commander for Northeast region o ka tell me say body no this omu dia too much but they don't know what caused the death. I said but who say omu bono or say omu say omu bono but omu name the echoes here and I see do your investigation because I have figures of what happened. Do your investigation. Mini we kasai oma neshi. This is the work of the gender ministry. Yes, we are just supporting.
Auntie Jane, me kai pa say a position in mano. Abofra bi wo kaswa ya statement bi en free ministry ho. Insuo fa nkwara 13 Kofi Asan ewa he fampo apam good insuo fa wo apam ya anti bi en free gender ministry plus other cases yanti press release and bibia from the minister. And all these things, just like also so can should give us cause for worry. Some ministry one, but the Juma pa ni saying. Auntie Jane.
Something that me see me who say, oh yeah, Juma Bia our ministry no. Omofano as a gender minister. Into dear me can say, who me this in issues of gender. Very delicate and I say yeah, adia hardly into your peobia. Obetima yes adumano. Obia or you compassionate to gender matters. Obia open children asema eye onuanka sasem. Sa nipano ene pe our ministry. Elderly women and children, they are all under that thing. So I see gender nyamba nkwa.
Yeah.
So they are also under a whole lot of difficulties.
Yeah.
Who say mamina no see or any pregnancy, Josephina,
yes, Takrade.
These are problems that we are supposed to deal with starting from the initial stages. Gender ministry, Nijuma, Mbamo Muntimi Wu, pressure Ghanaians, the two omuso to the extent say, Obimo Peso Mun control. All these things, education and gender ministry, SSA Omunye, so that Oba Otisa situation so. Send obetima carrying who send obetima wa botre odin kuma be mo nyankopon say one day onyankopon obedicing in a society send obetima ma society o man stop this pressure no we ko worry da beni we those things they are focus they are the work of the gender ministry nsusu yenhushi into the mimi can say anka me a janitor gender ministry, I am politicizing. We don't need politics at the gender ministry. And say homophobia or MPP near all this thing. Because problems to come, but now we say government to solve problems. No, we MPP government onya Juma won't mean because we can't. It's a bit here one government. We need an independent body as a minister for gender to be able to superhead the affairs of gender in this country. Because gender problems now at Ghana is also. They say they be American. 87% of employment are ministries and public institutions. And 13% na mbamu nyae. Na unhu a lot of prostitutes are no mo say mbamu so dey ampe. Who person won't juma won't mean ye juma ni nye. Because we don't know how to threaten people. But so these are gender disparity issues. SSA gender ministry carry out. They are not doing anything. So the Mimi can say Se ompe jumana, omuma nko.
No, but Antigen, Obi Subeka say, only way, yes, say sanitation minister Cecilia Dapa and act Emano. How do you take that? And no, who is saying?
The sanitation minister is not a gender minister. Gender ministry, Juma, a gender ministry is laborious, a dozen. Say one minister, Betty supersede over the ministry and the other ministry. And more to the point, who will fight gender minister? You are looking for a minister who really have compassion for gender issues and children. Now, who was so be this is sanitation. Now, who say oh you good at sanitation? If I'm saying that you see good at gender, he's supposed to supersede over two ministries. And look crampo and on one ministry, no way. Has he finished taking care of her ministry and now she has to supersede over the gender ministry? Into the big cry, she's a substantive minister. Say Adwoa Safo Beyi Jumana. We have lot of women who can do the work. And secondly, before Bia, money pakune nya MPP ni. Me enya politics, enjoy the politicization of the gender ministry. Ne yam chisho obi obetima ye jumano, ne yam fancy ho. So the government ye bibia enya obeka say government ye say government must do this. O kasano and yes he is destroying the government of the day. He is helping in shaping the country. He's helping in shaping the country.
Okay.
So let's stop.
Antigen Batomi Bao. Say okay, Krata a free Jubilee House, 6th October 2021. Or say the President of the Republic, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, has extended the leave of absence from office for the Minister for Gender, Children and Social Protection, Honorable Adwoa Safo, MP for Domi Kwabenya, which was to have ended on 31st August 2021. The minister sought leave of absence for personal reasons. Me interest, for personal reasons. Bepimene, wamai. Personal day na woye.
So no matter what political situation NPP almost share the gender ministry. Gender ministry for women, men, children, we a big ministry. Into our personal problems are on seeking leave of absence. Maintenance in Kasa. So on gender ministry now, because you can't have personal problems. Now, Omansa the ministerial position at the account so say Wumbeye Juma. But me the mention say when them say gender issues, yeah, they don't take it serious. And nothing no more yes idea way. What you should say gender ministry no. One building, one face this in is it Abua stones to choke it? All the ministries, we share gender ministry now. We who say an insult to children, and both men and women in this country. Gender ministry, no. One single building, it doesn't look attractive at all. So it looks like gender issues in this country are being downplayed. We and your politics, both NPP and NDC, and form almost like they don't respect women and children in this country. That is why the gender ministry is on top of a stone or something, one single building. And we share say almost anything. If they are allocating resources, the gender ministry did the least resources. Our Ghana ha. Shejuma SSA gender ministry here. Sensitization producing, child trafficking, witchcraft, whatever. And now did the least resources in the country. An insult. An insult. And it's time that both we leave politics aside and decide and also try now to respect women and children. Because of Ghana, almost gender is about women and children.
Yeah. In fact, passion. How passionately you've addressed this issue, and Nyami Adom Adwoa Dame pesi etwa sanko way so. Throw more light on the Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection, and then deal with the issue of the absence of the substantive minister, Adwoa Safo. Adwoa Nyami Adom Ebetwa so, Anti Janet, me that's a pa. Medase pa. Madam Janet Nabila, General Secretary for the PNC, and I'm in no attention command. And in Diagro. Position of one, shim, Akabakubi, or Nebi, and ever far away.
Discuss your matter. Monday and Wednesday on Adom FM.
Ama Awukubia Boache on Facebook or say exactly this gender ministry has been a ghost ministry. I don't know the kind of work they are doing there, but it should be a very important ministry in Ghana because so many issues of abuse are going on in the country which needs the intervention of the ministry. Well said, Ama Awukubia. Well said. Enti yebisa Adom na me Adom ebesa bebisa. Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo, Domi Kwabenya, Member of Parliament, Minister, Gender, Children and Social Protection. What we here? Yes, I'm Franco Trading Enterprise. But follow me on Facebook. My page, Chief Jerry Forsen. Chief Jerry Forsen, CJ on Facebook. Like my page. Let's get interactive. From me, 020-694-3337. 020-694-3337. Parmesanzi. Get us a